Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals Wheelchair Vehicle Specialists. This is a Toyota Noah. Pushing this button lowers the rear hydraulics of the vehicle and the aluminium wrap at the same time. Then the wheelchair occupant is able to reverse down the reduced incline. It has an electric door. The belts are operated as an electric winch system using a handheld remote. So the belts are winched out, as you can see, they're hooked onto the wheelchair, and the wheelchair is winched into the car or pulled into the car. Once inside, the rear hooks are also controlled by the remote. They're pulled up and hooked onto the rear to make the wheelchair very safe. For more information on this car, visit our website on www.icsar.com.au or phone 02 9981 5884.